Administering the sedative now. Restraining mid-body. Vitals stable. Injection complete. It's working.
Left scale, 235.4 kilograms. That's a 36.7 kilogram difference.
Strap is secure. Taking a reading now.
Copy, it's over 200 kilos. Keep it steady.
It's twitching. Hold it. Scale is stabilizing. Weight is 2 florins.
Confirmed, vitals are stable. Good, log the data.
Easy now. Let's get a reading.
Coils are stable, ready.
Confirmed. 250.7 kilograms.
The calculation is complete. 240.99.7 kilograms.
Confirmed. Data synchronized.
£503. Did you get that, David?
Recording now, Professor. That's a new record.
The weight is fluctuating too rapidly.
We need a stable reading before it moves again.
Rerunning the calibration sequence now.
The weight reading is stabilizing at 450 kilograms.
Noted. Check the metabolic data on screen 3.
This is Hercules, and his weight, near 600 pounds, changes everything we thought we knew about the species.
Easy now, bring it down slowly. All right, clear. Set it down.
Look at that. It's still rising.
How is that even possible?
1,500 pounds. We actually did it. Incredible, the largest ever recorded.
450 kilograms exactly.
The largest specimen on record, Professor.
Look at the fluctuation here on the EKG.
Adjusting the dial now. The weight is almost finalized.
Weight, 298.7 kilograms.
Scale is stabilizing. Weight is 2 kilograms.
Confirmed. Vitals are stable. Good. Log the data.
Left scale, 235.4 kilograms. That's a 36.7 kilogram difference.
Administering the sedative now. Restraining mid-body. Vitals stable. Injection complete. It's working.